Pedas.
I rasakan dah banyak sangat ayam gepuk right now. But I found this place agak rare because konsep dia you boleh custom lauk lain. Macam daging gepuk ni.
It's giving nasi padang. It actually tastes like rendang. Berempah tu.
At first kan, I felt weird for this combo tau. But surprisingly, ni menu paling love. It's really hit my taste bud bila ada rasa spicy, masin and creamy all together. Here you can choose the spicy level. If you terpaling tahan pedas, I dare you to try hot. Sila boleh tahan ke tidak.
Ayam gepuk. In every set, diorang memang bagi kopis goreng ni. You don't have to add on. Ayam pistol. Aku suka gila periuk-periuk dia.
Anyway, if you come with your kids kan, boleh try their bakso. After makan spicy, I suggest you try their es cendol and fresh coconut. Actually, drinks pun banyak choice. Restoran luas, comfortable and ada aircon. Penting babe kalau makan pedas. I went to Putrajaya outlet dekat IOI je. But they also available at KLCC and Mid Valley.